What just happened?
Timeout. Star Magic Shooting Stars.
Napakabilis po ng mga pangyayari. As we can see this, Mike for three. Almost! Para kay JV kanina. Ayun lang, yung tulak sa likod. Yun ang offensive foul.
Nakita, Migs. Medyo mabigat yun, Migs, para dito sa team ng Unbelievables.
Yun ang push-off. Natawagan siya ng offensive foul dahil tinulak niya. Natulak na sa likod. Loose ball foul.
Dalawang what could have been, Migs.
Oo. Wow, alright.
Ayan.
So 3 seconds left. Para dito.
Here again, Bel Mariano supporting Donnie and Star Magic Shooting Stars.
Emilio, ikaw to. Okay, I got you. I'm RJ. Come on. RJ, gunit up. 3 seconds.
Ayun, Migs, naglaro sila yo.
Ay.
Okay, this is gonna be big.
Gonna be big, pero may chance pa dito ang Unbelievable, Richie.
Yes, you don't have to take a shot for me, Migs, because they're either gonna foul or finish the clock. Tama ba?
So kung di sila foul, hawak na ng bola, tapos.
Oo. Yung iba ba ang ginagawa, binabato sa taas.
Oo.
Medyo risky lang.
Risky yun.
lang.
There we go. Chance to seal the deal between Argel Saigon. Argel. Isang free throw lang. To make this a 3-point game. Argel Saigon.
Yes. That's big for Argel and the team Shooting Stars.
Okay. 3 seconds left. What play do you do? Para sa Unbelievables, Richie. Siyempre.
Medyo mabigat, Mix, kasi yung pinag-usapan natin kanina na they tried going for the 3 for the win, diba? Though medyo maaga pa, kaya nagkaroon ng scramble. Ngayon, no choice ka na, syempre, but to go for the 3.
Everyone, get some man. Get some man. The ball's here. There's a man there. You stick with your man. Okay? No more help. No more help. But when there's a screen, switch. Don't foul.
Yun.
You possession.
Yun ang magandang sinabi, Mix. Pinahabol ni Coach Gerald. Don't foul.
Tawag sa mukha, technical yun.
Kasi pwedeng ma-shoot ng 3 just to tie the game. Pero pag may foul, may chance pa silang manalo.
Alright, good point there by Coach JJ. Good depensa. (73-70). Here we go. Crunch time. Nelson. 4, 3. And that's it. Rematch sealed. Star Magic Shooting Stars seals the deal as they win this storied rematch.